Okay, today I'm going to show you how to properly do affiliate marketing. Many people go aggressively and they say, buy this, buy this, buy this, and then they wonder why I'm not making any sales. So today I'm going to show you how to properly promote your affiliate products. What you need to do, you need to show people how they can use, for example, some tool and how that tool can help them, okay? And then recommend them to buy that tool. That is the most efficient and the best way to do affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you today how you can make videos just like this by using only free AI tools. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Let's say, for example, that I'm in woodworking niche. So the next thing I need to do, I actually need to find ideas for my videos. So for that, I will come here on ChatGPT and I'm going to give it this rather long prompt. As you can see, this is a rather long prompt. So what I need to do, I need to press enter. And then here, ChatGPT will give me 20 different wooden objects, and those will be 20 different video ideas, and it will actually list them by numbers, okay, in format 1 to 20. Okay, and I think that ChatGPT actually finished this. So let me just scroll down. Okay, here you can see ChatGPT finished, and here you can see it is actually 20 wooden objects that I can make videos about. So let's say, for example, I wish to make a video about wooden storage chest. So I also, here in this prompt, I gave it a prompt for the image and also for the video. So when I scroll here you can see this is an image prompt. So now I need to make an image of this wooden chest. Okay, here you can see wooden chest. So I will actually copy this. Okay, this is my prompt. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to go here on Google Gemini, and then I need to click here on this plus, and then I need to click here on create an image, and then here I need to paste that prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Now this is important, so pay attention. Here you can see I added wooden storage chest. So here you need to add your own idea. If you, for example, have chosen something else, for example, wooden crate, here you will say wooden crate, okay? But like I said, I have chosen wooden storage chest, so here I added wooden storage chest. Okay, so all I have to do now is just press enter, and now Google Gemini will make this image. Just give it a few seconds to actually finish creating this image for us. Now, also this is important. When I click here you can see I added image must be in 9 to 16 aspect ratio. Why? Because when we come here on TikTok, we will see that these woodworking videos are getting thousands and thousands of views. Also here on Instagram, these videos, these reels, woodworking reels are getting thousands and thousands of views. But when we come here on YouTube and when we see here these woodworking shorts, these videos are getting millions of views, 21 million views, 8.2 million views, 142 million views. So woodworking videos are really popular here on YouTube, and that is why we need to make these videos. But here you can see these videos are all very informative. They are actually showing people how to make something or how to use some tools, for example, like this one here, that will actually help them. And you need to recommend these tools, and that is how you do affiliate marketing. So let's just go back here on Google Gemini, and here you can see how this image looks. When I click on it, here you can see this is how it looks. So what I need to do, I need to click here and I need to download this image to my desktop. So now I need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to copy this video prompt. And here again you can see aspect ratio is 9 to 16, okay? And that is important because we are creating videos for social media. So I will simply copy this prompt here, copy this, and then I will go here on Google and then click here on these dots, and then I will click here on this video, okay, to make a video by using VO1. This is 100% free, okay? Just give it a second, and then I will click here on blank video, okay? And then I will click here on video, and then here, when it says create from scratch, I will click here, and I will use animate an image because we already have an image. And then here I will click and I will choose portrait 9 to 16, okay? And here I will give it my prompt. And all I have to do now is just click here to upload image that I created by using Google Gemini. Give it a second to upload this image and then just click here on generate. And now Google Veo 1 will create this video for free to us. And as you can see, it's really fast. It already made 15% of this video. Just give it a few seconds to finish. Okay, we have finished our video. So let me just click here and click here on insert. And let's just play this video just to see how this looks. So as you can see, this actually looks really, really good. So all I have to do now is just click here on share and then click here download as a MP4. And I will download this video to my desktop. Now you can go here on Google Gemini and you can create even more scenes, more images, similar images, and create a longer video by using Google Veo 1. And then you can simply drag that video and merge all of those videos, all of those scenes in one, for example, 30-second long video. And that video will get even more engagement and you will get even more views. So now what I need to do, I simply need to upload this video, for example, on Pinterest. So all I have to do is just click here on create, click here on pin, and then I will simply find the video that I just created. This is the video. And here you can see this is my video. I need to add a title, I need to add a description, and then here for the link, you can double your earnings. For example, for the link, you can create a landing page or a bridge page. You can go here, for example, on Digistore24, and then here you can search for woodworking. Okay, and just give it a second to find those products. And here you can see you can find woodworking products. For example, let's say I wish to promote this product here. Here you can see you can earn $98 on average per sale. Just click here and copy promo link and you can promote this product here. Just go here on Pinterest and then here you need to paste a link to your landing page or a bridge page where you are promoting this product here. Now, better and easier way is to go here on Amazon and then here you can simply search some woodworking products. So for example, because here you can see this video here is about woodworking agent. When we go here you can see this is a woodworking agent. Let me just play it again. As you can see, this is a woodworking agent. So I can go back here on Amazon and then here I will simply search agent, okay? And then press enter and now here I can see there is lots of woodworking agents that I can actually promote. So let's say, for example, I wish to promote this one here, 887 reviews, 4.6 stars on average. Now, this looks like a good product. Simply click here. And then what I need to do, I simply need to click here, get an affiliate link. I need to copy my link, copy affiliate link, and go back here on Pinterest and then click here on tag, add product. Click here, use a link, paste my link here. Press enter, give it a few seconds to actually pick up information from the Amazon. And here you can see these are the images. Let's say, for example, I will use this image here. Give it a second. And here you can see they added this product. So when someone click here on this product, they will be automatically redirected to this page here, sales page on Amazon. And if they buy this product, I will earn an Amazon affiliate commission. So all I have to do now is just click here on publish and that's it. I will publish this video on my Pinterest page. But you need to upload this same video, not just here on Pinterest. You need to upload that same video here on TikTok, on your TikTok page, also on Instagram page, also on your YouTube channel. As you see, these kind of videos are getting a lot of views here on YouTube. You need to also upload that video on Reddit, on Twitter, on Facebook as a Facebook Reels. You need to upload it on related forums and so on and so on. Upload that video wherever you can to get as many views as you can, because in that way you will get more clicks and potentially you will make more sales. As you saw, it is really easy to make these videos. You can make these videos literally in under 1 hour, and you can upload these videos every day. The more videos you upload, the more views you will get, and the more views you get, the more clicks you will get, and potentially more money you can make by using free AI and affiliate marketing as an absolute beginner.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.